right, we're gonna do it once more. And this time, no mistakes. 1, 2, 3, 4.
In the darkness of the forest, Shere Khan's on the prowl. Mowgli stops to listen as he hears the mighty growl. In the Jungle Book, it's in the Jungle Book. In the Jungle Book, it's in the Jungle Book. Bagheera and Baloo are at the man cub side. In the Jungle Book, it's in the Jungle Book. In the Jungle Book, it's in the Jungle Book.
Today I'm going to read you Donald's Hiccups.
Well, I love to sing.
Did somebody say sing?
You. Today's an extra special day because we're gonna sing on the Clarabelle TV show.
And our friends and families are all going to be watching.
Gosh, I'm so nervous.
Not me. I'm ready for my close-up. Me too.
Oh, we better get practicing. Here we go.
Who's the leader of the club that's led by you and me?
Josh, M-I-C-K-E-Y, M-O-U-S-E, Mickey Mouse.
Donald Duck.
Mickey Mouse.
Donald Duck. Forever now the shoulder banner high. Oh, Donald. You got the hiccups. No, I don't. No, brother. Way up doing way up there.
Panicking! I hate heights.
Don't worry, Belly Up. I'll get you down. I'm coming, Belly Up. Okay, Belly Up. Jump.
Way to go, Zach.
Phew. What a relief. Thank you.
No problem, Belly Up. Now, we'd better cure those hiccups before you hop off again.
Yeah, you could land on any page. And anything could happen.
You just need a tall drink of water.
My dear Zag, I'm something of a hiccup expert. I know all the cures. This cure is guaranteed to work. It's called the Upside-Down Loony Swing-a-Rooney. You just hop up to a low branch, hang upside down, and swing back and forth 12 times. It's simple.
That doesn't sound so simple.
It's working! It's working!
Oh, no!
To the rescue!
It's a bird. It's a plane. It's Belly Up.
This is an Easter emergency! We've got to do something.
Yeah.
How did the horns on the bus go?
And number 5, we have Rabbit. Now this is very nice looking. I like this. And on the back you can see a little belt clip there, so you can take your soft plushy little buddy wherever you want to go, clip him onto your pocket, and off you go. Yeah, this one's really cool.
He hopped and jumped and he pulled and pulled and pulled, but we've helped win money for more people than any other claims company, which is probably why more people will recommend us than any other claims company. By my calculations, the shortest route is... If you had an accident, we get the best compensation you deserve because we've helped win money for more people than any other claims company. Rainbow, rainbow, red and orange and green and purple and blue. Rainbow, rainbow, it's a rainy sunny day. Who's that? Who's that? Scaring goes where the bally goes. Who's that? Who's that? growing weeds while the sowing seeds. Remember how Edward would help and teach share.
And she said, you do what I say, right?
Some of these days. Quick, let's help her! Go, go, armadillo!
That's no use.
Yeah, hit it. How did the horns on the bus go?
Do we have to go now? I'm so tired.
Right, I'm going to call National... That won money for more people than any other claims company.
Stop!
I need the experts.
He is voiced by Shale Simons. How did the horns on the bus go?
That won money for more people than any other claims company.
I was on the way to the gym. How did the horns on the bus go?
Wow! Wow! Yeah! Yeah! Woohoo!
Whoa! Whoa!
Wow! Yeah! What's this? I can touch my toes! Oh.
Super. How did the horns on the bus go?
Ah! It bit me.
Billy, can you do something eventually for me to draw? Sure. How did the horns on the bus go?
Ah!
Sure, I can, jump my scooter over your num-tum car. It's pretty adventure-y, eh?
Sure.
Can I slowly stand you? How did the horns on the bus go?
I'm not sure the Jeep can pull it up the hill.
Percy mistook a man waving a green handkerchief for the god waving his... How did the horns on the bus go? Garrett, move uphill! Now! What are we gonna do? How did the horns on the bus go?
Bendigo second. Dardar third.
stops to listen as he hears the mighty growl. In the Jungle Book, it's in the Jungle Book. In the Jungle Book, it's in the Jungle Book. Bagheera and Baloo are at the man cub side. In the Jungle Book, it's in the Jungle Book. In the Jungle Book, it's in the Jungle Book. Mama, mama, me, more milkshake.
All right, we're gonna do it once more. And this time, no mistakes. 1, 2, 3, 4.
In the darkness of the forest, Shere Khan's on the prowl. Mowgli stops to listen as he hears the mighty growl. In the Jungle Book, it's in the Jungle Book. In the Jungle Book, it's in the Jungle Book. Bagheera and Baloo are at the man cub side. In the Jungle Book, it's in the Jungle Book. In the Jungle Book, it's in the Jungle Book.
Today I'm going to read you Put Upon Percy. Lee Sneezer and Bugs popped grumpily into the yards. They were feeling put upon, and said so. I feel put upon, he complained.
That's not true.
You're a liar for calling her a liar. You liar.
Put upon what? The rails? No, put upon with work. Driver says he is too. Put upon. What a silly saying, replied Thomas.
I'm an important engine.
You don't understand. We tender engines have a position to keep up. You haven't a tender, and that makes a difference. It doesn't matter where you go, but we are important. And for the Fat Controller to make us shunt trucks, fetch coaches, and go on some of those dirty sidings, it's not the proper thing.
Important engines need plenty of coal, but I doubt if you would understand that, James.
But Annie and Clarabelle liked it, and they sang about it too. Bugs has been put upon, poor old Bugs. Bugs has been put upon, poor old Bugs. Bugs Bunny is being put upon. I am. He collected metal from the foundry, coal from the yards, flour from the mills, rock from the quarries, and fuel from the depot. Then he delivered them all to the docks. Next he collected some empty freight cars. Who's the sturdy little engine? They asked. We want Thomas or Doc. They ignored them. Put upon, that's what I am. We can see what's been put upon you, said Bendigo. You've done a good day's work. Now get a good night's rest. Yes, so, thank you, so. Next morning, he took some freight cars to the coal hopper. Then he had to push empty freight cars to the mine shaft. When he arrived, there was trouble. The foreman spoke to his driver. The freight cars are stuck in the mechanism. All they need is a good push. We'll do it right away. Lee Sneezer and Bugs shunted back to where a large canvas barrier was used to protect the line from those rocks. Bugs and Lee Sneezer charged at the line of freight cars too fast and too hard. Oh no, they gasped. The freight cars broke free, but ran out of control to the mines below. On, faster, the silly freight cars yelled. Then there was trouble again. Get out of here fast! The mine's collapsing. They'll just have to make a run for it, called Bugs. There's going to be an avalanche, wailed Lee Sneezer.
And he was right. Worse still, the track he was on began to crumble. Oh, help! Wailed Percy.
Father is on the way! Hold on! We need your help!
Woo!
Then he remembered something he had seen earlier. There's a canvas barrier by the track. Back. That might save us. They were just in time.
Petey was right. The canvas did indeed save them, but the miners didn't know that. The avalanche has buried an engine and its crew. We must help them immediately.
Zazu, help me!
Your father is on the way! Hold on!
Hurry!
We need your help!
But it was too late. Gordon bumped into the coaches. Fuck!
Zazu, help me!
Your father is on the way! Hold on!
Hurry!
We need your help!
Did someone say triangle?
Gordon tried to whisk them away, but they crowded round no matter what he did. On the way back to the shed, Gordon wanted his driver to stop and fetch his new one. Gordon was very cross.
Ugh, what a dream. Curses schmerses. Whoa.
You know how it is with these E-cards.
Help!
How about I could call National Accident Helpline? Unlike some claims companies, that's got a no-win, no-fee, no-risk guarantee.
Oh, you could trust me.
Yeah, dream on. Don't take a chance.
Somebody! Anybody! Help!
When Percy had been rescued, Sir Topham Hatt spoke to his driver and fireman, then to Percy. "Driver told me how brave you were, Percy. As a reward, you will be repainted at the works." "Oh, thank you, sir." When he returned, Percy's coat glistened in the sun.
We need your help!
"There's going to be an avalanche!" wailed Percy.
And woke up angrily with a loud roar and opened his big jaws to swallow him.
Your father is on the way! Hold on!
We need your help!
Hey, wait for me!
And take a closer look.
And it's full of plenty of rain for your puppy up flower.
Cool!
Don't worry, Quack. You'll feel the rain later.
Quack, wait! Come back here!
Every pony okay?
They are right.
The canvas did indeed save them, but the miners didn't know that. The avalanche has buried an engine and its crew. We must help them immediately.
I suppose it would have been too much for you to have found an empty bucket?
Oh no! Quick, Benny! Rock!
Oh, I don't usually allow such things to happen. If I hadn't been so worried for your safety, I would have knocked the stuffing out of that cat.
Hey, I heard Gladys put a 10.
That's the trouble with snapping turtles. They snap. Now, you take the common box turtle. It's a much more docile little creature.
Bill. Bunny. Yeah, Bunny? Well, what are you doing in there? That's no place for rabbits. You might get yourselves mailed somewhere. Now, you bunnies be careful. Steer clear of my cat. A mean-spirited fellow. Paw.
I'm fine! What? I'm fine!
but Thomas's front was
Unlikely.
bent.
When Percy had been rescued, Sir Topham Hatt spoke to his driver and fireman, then to Percy. Driver told me how brave you were, Percy. As a reward, you will be repainted at the works. Oh, thank you, sir.
Step number 3 is taking 2...
I heard that he's bringing a very important passenger.
Oh, Neville, you are a one. Well, Neddy's turned up safe and sound, and in my book, that means...
And all night.
Where's little Sandy gone? She was just here. There you are. Why are you in the sand? We've got to do a good deed. I know. I was trying to find one.
When he returned, Percy's coat glistened in the sun.
Look, Doc, I was wondering my carrots and...
Who's got to hurry? Just one question.
I think it's just seen the dirty windows.
We need to do something quickly.
Press the one with 3 sides.
No, Humpty Doo. That's a triangle. That will make them go even faster. Press the one that's round, like a plate. No, Tramper. That's the circle. Larry, press the square. Sometimes we have an emergency. Flinders is in the mud bath here, and we need to get him out before termite treat time. Here! Because no Num-Tum ever likes missing termite treat time.
No, they don't.
Did somebody say termite treats?
Uh-oh. Num-Pups to the rescue.
But where? Where? Is that an idea I can hear?
Do ideas ride on scooters?
In the darkness of the forest, Shere Khan's on the prowl. Mowgli stops to listen as he hears the mighty growl. In the Jungle Book, it's in the Jungle Book. In the Jungle Book, it's in the Jungle Book. Bagheera and Baloo are at the Mancap side. In the Jungle